Well, welcome class. We'll go ahead and get started when everyone gets seated. Alright, it's good to have you. Well, getting started here, we're going to look at section 1, and it says sketch the arrow representation of the given vector, which has initial point, whatever's in the book, and we chose Q, which is 3, 2. And if you look in your book at number 1, it is coordinates 1, 1. So you go over 1 and up 1 and plot your point, and then make your arrow. And so you do that for whatever numbers you get on your coordinates, and that's how you do that part. We're going to go ahead and look at the next section now. It says find the coordinates of the terminal point of the geometric representation of the given vector if the initial point is whatever it says in your book. So in your book, here are all the points that you have. And we're going to look at number 11 with the coordinates 1, 6. So you're going to take 1 plus 0 and 6 plus 0 over here. And you're going to go ahead and get 1, 6 for this one, 4, 8 for this one, 5, 5, negative 2, 13, negative 5, 1, and so on. So basically what you're doing is you're taking your coordinates 1, 6, and you're taking the x plus the x and the y plus the y, and that is how you get your numbers like we got over here. Moving on to exercises 21 through 28. If you have the 2 points are given and the initial points, t is a terminal point, name the vector. So what you're going to want to do, the formula is c minus a and d minus b. So you got c right here minus a, so 5 minus 1. And you got d minus b, which is 4 minus 2. So you get 4, 2 as your vector. So all you have to do is, when you get the 2 points, you're going to want to write them out and then label them A, B, C, D, and then just plug them into the equation, and then you get your coordinates. Now let's go ahead and do a little application problems. Number 29, or nope, just kidding, I'm doing number 31. It says the arrow from point R, 3, 5 to S, X, Y represents the same vector as the arrow from S, X, Y to T, 8, 1. Find X, Y. So basically what they're asking is, if we draw a graph over here and we plot these points roughly, 3, 5, and 8, 1, they want to know what's in the middle right here between the 2 points. So it is midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So if you plug in the coordinates that they give you right here, you plug, this is your x1 and your x2, so that's 3 plus 8 over 2 is 11 halves. And then this is your y1, and this is your y2. So if you take 5 plus 1 over 2, which is 6, divided by 2, and then you get 3. And that is how you do section 1.2 on points and vectors. Thanks for listening.